Let's take a look at the multi-front face-off between the BJP and the AAP ahead of the Delhi elections. We're going to go to the big wall over there and we're going to take you through 8 big flashpoints between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi, starting off with number 1 over here, the voters list war, where of course the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal has said that BJP has applied to remove 5,000 names and add 7,500 new ones. To that, of course, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said that it is Arvind Kejriwal who's in fact adding the names. Notification war. Sanjay Singh over here. Action will be taken against officers who were pressured by BJP to release this list. BJP, of course, slamming over their own department is issuing warnings to public. This is Kejriwal versus Atishi. So again, that is again the second flashpoint that we are tracking. Arop Patra war. The BJP has no agenda to contest the elections, is what the Aam Aadmi Party said. BJP, on the other hand, has said Delhi has witnessed 10 years of misery under the Aam Aadmi Party. Point number 4, tableau war. Delhi's tableau has not been allowed to participate, is what the Aam Aadmi Party has said. Of course, the flashpoint over there, a committee decides the tableau, but Kejriwal is doing politics, of course, the back and forth that we are seeing over there. Freebies war at point number 5. Aam Aadmi Party. Am I distributing freebies or laying foundation of the country, is what the Aam Aadmi Party has said. BJP over there baits to lure so that the ambitions of Kejriwal are fulfilled, is of course what has been said by the BJP, slamming the Aam Aadmi Party. Mahila Samman scheme war. The Aam Aadmi Party here saying Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana is being initiated. BJP stop deceiving the people of Delhi with electoral gimmicks, is of course the counter that has been issued by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Arrests war. Aam Aadmi Party says AAP MLA's Naresh Balyan was arrested because he submitted a complaint to Delhi police against gangsters. BJP over there, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan is in a conversation in fact with a gangster. Point number 8 over here, the Aam Aadmi Party says and the LG's not to prosecute Kejriwal, bid to divert attention from Home Minister's remarks in Parliament. BJP over there, it is clear that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin of the Delhi excise policy scam. So again, multiple flashpoints over there, ahead of the Delhi elections that are slated to take place in February of 2025. You've of course listed out 8 over there, and that's of course the status as far as the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party in the Delhi goes. My colleague Arzu is still with us on the broadcast. Arzu, multiple flashpoints we've of course outlined for our viewers. If you could take us through what it is that's happening at this point of time as far as the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Congress is a completely different story.
Well, all the parties are now playing a blame game where one side Aam Aadmi Party claiming that the Aam Aadmi Party is the only party that have done so much of development work in the entire national capital, and that's why they are going to people taking their development work that they have done. But also at the same time they are saying that the few works are left, and this is just because of the tactics that the BJP has done, and because of them there were several leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party that got arrested in the false cases. So on the other side, Bharatiya Janata Party claiming that Aam Aadmi Party has done nothing, and they have made promises of cleaning the Yamuna river. There were a lot of promises that were made to make the roads like Paris, but nothing has been done, and that's why now they are bringing such schemes, the reveries they are giving to people to buy their votes. On the other side, there has been schemes, and continuously we are seeing that the such welfare schemes are being announced by the Aam Aadmi Party, whether we talk about Sanjeevani Yojana, Mahila Samman Yojana, and now the Pujari Granthi Samman Yojana, under which there will be a free services that will given, under which there will be a money that will be given to the ladies, and also now under the Pujari and Granthi Yojana to the Pandits and Granthis. Now Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh has in fact attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that they've got frustrated since the Arvind Kejriwal has announced the Pujari Granthi Samman Yojana and promised to provide 1,800 per month. They call themselves well-wisher of Hindu and still have not announced this scheme in any of their ruling state. So continuously we have also seen the Arvind Kejriwal tweet in which he also attacked the central government or the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that they are just abusing the Arvind Kejriwal. Nothing will happen by abusing the Arvind Kejriwal, but they have to do work on ground. There has been a BJP in nearly 20 states, but they have not implemented such scheme in any of their states. So now they can take the tips from the Arvind Kejriwal, or take this idea from the Arvind Kejriwal. So on the other side, BJP or the Congress party is saying that they have brought such a scheme ahead of the Delhi Assembly election just to woo the voters, and also they have nothing positive about the people of Delhi, but that they have understood that they are losing their election, they are losing this election, Delhi Assembly election. That's why now they are bringing such a scheme, and nothing has been done in the 11 years. Yes, Sabri.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for sharing all those